Tired of procrastination controlling your life? Discover the one book that transforms how you tackle tasks starting today. Eat That Frog by Tracy. The ultimate guide to conquering procrastination and boosting productivity in a world drowning in distractions, Tracy's Eat That Frog has emerged as a lifeline for millions seeking to reclaim their time, focus, and success. Inspired by Mark Twain's famous adage, "Eat a live frog first thing in the morning." And nothing worse will happen to you the rest of the day, this best-selling book delivers 21 ruthlessly practical strategies to stop procrastinating, prioritize ruthlessly, and achieve more in less time. Whether you're drowning in deadlines, struggling to start projects, or simply craving control over your chaotic schedule, Tracy's no-nonsense approach will transform how you work and live. What's the big idea? The power of frog-eating your frog is your biggest, most daunting task, the one you're most likely to procrastinate on. Tracy argues that tackling this task first unleashes a cascade of productivity, momentum, and confidence. Procrastination isn't just a bad habit, it's a dream killer. Eat that frog. It teaches you to identify your frogs. Shatter procrastination with neuroscience-backed techniques. Design ruthlessly prioritized to-do lists that actually work. 10x your focus by eliminating distractions and multitasking myths. Key lessons from Eat That Frog. 21 strategies to revolutionize your work. 1. The frog-eating mindset. Start every day by tackling your one task before emails, meetings, or busy work. Momentum is everything. 2. Plan every day in advance. Tracy's 10/90ths rule, minus 10 minutes of planning saves 90 minutes of wasted effort. 3. Apply the 80/20ths rule. 20% of your tasks drive 80% of results. Focus only on high-impact activities. 4. The ABCDE method. Rank tasks from A to E. Never do a B task until all A's are done. 5. The law of 3. Identify 3 core goals that align with your long-term vision. Everything else is noise. 6. Single-handle every task. Start a task. Stay on it until done. Half-finished projects drain mental energy. Why this book will change your life. Science meets simplicity. Tracy blends psychology with actionable steps for everyone. Entrepreneurs, students, corporate warriors, creatives, anyone drowning in to-dos. Short, sharp, and life-changing. At just 144 pages, it's a manifesto you'll revisit monthly. Real-world results. Readers report doubling income, reclaiming hours daily, and finally launching passion projects. Who needs this book? Chronic procrastinators stuck in snooze button mode. Overwhelmed professionals juggling 100 tasks but achieving little. Dreamers tired of goals collecting dust on vision boards. Leaders aiming to build high-performance teams. Stop letting procrastination steal your potential. Tracy's Eat That Frog isn't just a book. It's a productivity revolution packed into 21 bite-sized chapters. Whether you read it on your commute or during lunch breaks, you'll walk away with tools to dominate deadlines, crush goals, and finally feel in control. Your frog isn't going anywhere. It's time to eat. It's time to unlock the life you've been postponing.